Hi, this is Neil at Italia Autos. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a wiper linkage from an Alfa 147 or Alfa GT. I have got this car already stripped down to give me easier viewing for you guys. What you're going to need is a T20 Torx bit, a screwdriver, small screwdriver, a 13mm socket and a 10mm socket, and one of these wiper arm removal tools. They cost about £10 on eBay and they are worth every penny. So to start with, we're just going to remove the covers on top of each wiper arm. And then undo the 10mm nuts holding the arms on. Now do not try and pull them off without using this tool, because guaranteed you will break your wiper linkage. So here we go, just put the tool on the end, tighten it all up, twist the end down, and then it should lift it off like that. You'll hear it crack, and then you can safely remove the wiper arm. There's also a little washer in there as well normally, but it's missing on that one. And again, just on this arm here, just slide it over, tighten everything up, and then you'll hear it pop loose eventually. There we go. There's normally a cover here which you need to remove, and underneath that there is a Phillips screw. You need to undo that and then peel the weather strip back. That will reveal a few more Torx bits. Remove those and they will reveal the window regulator. There's just 3 you need to remove. Now underneath here, this is all clipped on, so you need to be careful removing this. Get yourself a pry tool and then just look beneath it and you'll see where the clips are, and just pull it up gently. One of these I need to undo here. There's actually 4 you need to undo, sorry, not 3 of these Torx screws. Now that's off. That will reveal the wiper linkage. Normally covered in spiders, cobwebs, everything. Now you need to remove the electrical connection. Just pull that tab and then pull it out. It's normally the case. There we go. And now 3 10mm nuts hold that in place. So one here, one down there, and then one here. And there you go, that's one wiper linkage free. Just lift that up out of the way. Now what normally happens is these ends break on each side. When you're trying to lever the arms off, it will just snap here. They are very delicate. So there you go, and to refit, it's just exactly the reverse of doing that. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.